How to add the README file to the GitHub profile. So it's pretty easy, just create a new repository and from there make sure that you give the name of your repository as the name of your GitHub page, and then make sure also that you add the README file, create the repository, and then just edit it. I already know what I want to add it, so I will just speed up the video. You can also click preview changes to see your changes, but of course you can also edit your file later, and we will do that actually in a bit. I will commit my changes. I'm going to see if everything looks okay. I don't like that much that last part, so I'm going to edit my file once again. And here you can either preview or you can just click commit your changes. And pretty much that's it. I hope that you like this quick video tutorial, and also do check the description for more information. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.